Okay, so let's go ahead and just run through the ingredients very quickly. Now, depending on the amount you're making, you can reduce this or increase this. I'm making a couple bottles well, so that's why you see I have 4 of everything. Anyways, you're gonna need 4 cans of condensed milk, 4 cans of coconut milk, 4 cans of evaporated milk, 4 cans of cream of cocoa. I'm using the Goya brand, but the authentic Puerto Rican one, you can use that. Star anise, cinnamon, vanilla, and also some cloves. I'm using Don Q 151, regular Don Q, and spice rum. So let's jump in. Now we're gonna start off by steeping our tea. And this is the base of the coquito. So you're gonna add 3 sticks of cinnamon. Again, this is my recipe, might not be exact my recipe. I'm also making a big batch, guys, so my ingredients might be a lot more than what you would typically make if you're making a smaller batch, so keep that in mind. So again, cinnamon sticks, we're gonna add a few star anise and then a few cloves. I'll give exact measurements down below, but again, I'm making a bigger batch, so less or minus or add more depending on what you're making. So we're not bringing this up boil, we're just gonna keep this on a simmer, let it steep until it gets to tea. All right, guys, so once your tea draw, that's what we would say, but anyway, steep. Once you've steeped the tea, you just want to go ahead and set it aside and let's start working on everything else. So I'm using a big pot, so again, a big batch I'm making, so don't be like, oh gosh, that's too much. No, I'm making for all my friends too. Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead. You're pretty much going to add every single thing into a pot. It's not rocket science. Add everything into your pot. All right, guys, so remember now, everything is gonna go into your blender. If you're doing this in a blender, that's fine. I am not doing it in a blender because I'm making a big batch and I just don't want to do a couple batches in a blender. I put it in the big pot and we can do it in the pot. So anyways, so go ahead and blend up everything now. And then you're gonna add your vanilla, your cinnamon, and your nutmeg. Now, for those of you who make your cookie too, oh, there's too much vanilla, too much nutmeg. No, it's not. Just enough. Remember, this is a big pot I'm making or a big batch. This is couple bottle well. So you got to really eye your ingredients and make sure you know what you're doing. Anyway, so go ahead and blend it up and then let we add with alcohol. First things first, our Don Q. So we're gonna add 1 shot of vodka, 2 shots of the Don Q 151. Yep, and that's my shot. Don't judge. There we go. 2 shots of the spice rum. Then we're gonna add our tea that we steeped, blend it all together, and then pour it out. Alright guys, so when you're done, this is what you have. You're gonna put this in the fridge, store it however you like, but it's gonna thicken up over time. But yeah, here is my coquito. Hope you guys try it, like it, and enjoy. Well, this is probably gonna be, no, I'm probably gonna bring you guys Christmas dinner. I'm gonna take a few days to reset for myself before the new year. So I do hope that you guys enjoy, sorry, today's recipe. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Wishing you guys a happy holidays and a happy new year. Peace.